Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Pico Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we give it a tune-up and we also had to disassemble the entire front panel in order to service the spouse of this machine. Some of the parts were worn out and some of them were completely clogged. So we completely cleaned this, made sure that the new parts were installed. We installed a couple of parts of them on the machine. These are the ones right there. We descale this machine, deep clean it, service the brew group, and clean the grinder, and just give it a good tune-up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be testing out the cappuccino side, and we're gonna be testing out the carafe.
Well, it's just convenient. The AV version is it's a time shot, so you just press the button, and it just, I think your machine's a time shot too, right?
Okay, machine is doing pre-infusion.
You press the button.
Now it's doing extraction, nice steady flow coming out from the spouts. Excellent color as well, looking great. Previously this machine was not doing any coffee, not dispensing any liquid from here.
Okay, yeah. So it's a volume shot based on how much volume you want to come out. So it'll automatically stop at that volume, whereas the person who watch it.
Okay, right now we're gonna be doing a cappuccino. We do not have the milk, but we still have this milk cleaner that is gonna function as milk. We're gonna see water falling from here all the way into the cup, and we're gonna see flow. Now the machine needs to heat up, so the thermoblock on this side needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the water pump is going to start pulsing water through the thermoblock up to a valve that is located right here, and then it's going to go out through this carafe, circling the milk and flooding the milk as you see right there. Nice flow coming out of the carafe. Excellent froth. Looking great. We're going to stop it right here as we do not have enough space on the cup to actually feed the volume of coffee that is going to come out. And again, we see a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. No leaks coming out of anywhere. Great color as well, looking great. Working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Saeco Pico Barista working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.